Hey guys, MaryAnn here again with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have a Beverly Hills convertible for you guys. It is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-350, and she is finished in an Arctic white with an absolute stunning red leather interior and little black accents throughout, which just gives it character. You have your bird's eye wood grain, as you'll be able to see. I don't know how well it's showing up because the sun is setting on us tonight. However, it is just fabulous, and it really blends well with this vehicle. And I will say I did a top operation purposely on the drive down just so you guys could see firsthand, and before you see this car review, what the top looks like, because very rarely does a soft top convertible look better up. But with this vehicle, with that beautiful matching red soft top convertible, this is better with the top up than it is with the top down. Under the hood, we have a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and it produces 302 horsepower. We have your xenon lights and your LED daytime running lights as well, along with your AMG Sports package. So there you'll see your 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz AMG wheels, and brand new tires are also on this car. So that's always a nice thing to have on a vehicle, because a lot of times that can be an added expense that nobody wants to deal with. But for you guys, we have new tires. We have a blind spot assist, along with a lane keep assist and attention assist on this vehicle. You do have your memory seats 1, 2, 3, and your multi-contouring seats. And if you guys aren't seeing the color properly on these seats, I will let you know firsthand. It is almost a maroon, and you can see it almost better right here than you can see in the front, because the sunset, the way the sun has this orange hue in sunny Southwest Florida, it can appear as though it's more of a bright red, but this is actually a stunning ruby red color. It really has such an elegance to it. This is one that I don't believe I have personally ever seen in this color combination, and it is one that I would personally purchase if this was the car for me. We have dual exhaust, backup camera, and plenty of room for you here in the trunk. And yes, golf clubs do fit in the back of this E350, as long as your golf bag isn't ridiculous. And if it is, then it just goes in the back seat. Put that top down and take off to the golf course. So I'm gonna take it out on a test drive and show you guys how it runs. All right, so I'm gonna start it up. I did not tell you guys about a fabulous feature in this vehicle, and it's not really a feature at all, other than the fact that it just has 27,952 miles, and that is clearly less than 28,000 miles on this 2014 basically pristine vehicle. And you can see we have your fuel consumption, navigation, audio, telephone, which I'm going to go through, and I want to get us into reverse here so you guys can see the clear backup camera. And you can once again see that there is a little tiny kitty cat there. So, you know, we like to have backup cameras a lot of times for that reason, specifically to ensure the safety of those who are smaller than the vehicle. And you can see it gives us the direction in which we're traveling. There's your lane keep assist options, and of course there's no messages. Again, all of our cars have been serviced and inspected by us at AutoHaus of Naples, and we wouldn't put a car out there that had a message on it. We would fix it before we ever put it up for sale. And we do have your navigation once again, along with your radio, your XM disc, so that means your CD player and your auxiliary, along with the fact that not only do you have the Bluetooth options, but you can also play the music from your Bluetooth device as well. And you do see here that we have, once again, the memory seating, and here's the fact that it has been serviced by us, so you see our sticker there. And this is actually where you shift for these vehicles. I don't know if you guys saw that at the beginning, but this is where you put the car into park, reverse, neutral drive. You put your foot on the brake and you just lift up or down, depending on which way you're going. And to put it back in park, you push right here. I do have some customers who come in for these E-350s. They've never sat in one, and it's things like that that they just don't know. We do have the books along with both keys to this vehicle, and you can see with the yellow or orange triangles and the side view mirrors that this does have your lane keep and blind spot assist. You have the applications with the Mercedes-Benz, and here is going to be where I did the top operation, and there is the option of that windscreen, which you can put up and down, and that is going to happen just right here by the touch of the button. You can even work all 4 windows by this button, and this is going to be where you put the top up and down. This is what it looks like closed. So again, you guys get into this at the dealership a lot of times and you're like, how do I put the top up and down? This is it. And you lift right here, and then you push or you pull depending on which way you're going, and it does it for you. Here's a nice view of the bird's eye wood grain. So there you're able to see it probably a little better and more clear. Here's a Mercedes-Benz timepiece, which is always a stunning and elegant look to these cars. And of course, you can see you even have the option of downloading the manual and putting internet service and whatnot throughout this vehicle. So I'm sure you're wondering how this is, but hold on, I did miss a couple features, so let me finish here. We have heated seats, and we also have the air scarves, which is going to keep your guys' neck and face and shoulders warm when you have the top down. This is your seatbelt butler, so whenever I push this, the seatbelt will raise up for me, making it very simple to put the seatbelt on where you don't have to reach back and turn completely around. Of course, these are your hazard lights. This is the economy option. I prefer to typically drive without them. And once again, for your passenger, your air scarves, your heated seats, so, and your dual air conditioning. All the goodies. Of course, what would Mercedes-Benz be without all the goodies? So let's hit that accelerator. There's the windscreen. So that windscreen that you're seeing right now, it goes up automatically once you hit a certain speed. It is not something you can personally control. However, once the E-350 hits that speed that Mercedes requires, it will automatically raise up, and then as you can see, it goes down for you. So that is a great feature that you guys just don't have to worry about. Again, low miles, amazing vehicle, stunning colors that you guys are gonna really, I haven't seen one like it, so it's gotta be hard to find. 239-263-8500. That is our phone number. All of that information is going to be below this video. Subscribe, please. Follow us on social media. It's AutoHaus Naples, and my name's MaryAnn, and I will see you guys on the next one.